Alright, so today's lesson is all about dividing using multiplication in the area model. And so we are going to take a peek at what that looks like just as a model. Okay, so in this problem we are looking at 875 divided by 25. Okay, and we're going to look at that as an area model. We've been really familiar with the area model for multiplication, but we haven't been so familiar with the area model for division. It's the same exact thing. Okay, it's the same exact area model, it's just we're using it for division. We're missing all the partial products and we're missing the partial factors. Okay, so those are the two things that you are going to be looking to get. We already know what the total is. We have 875 squares. Okay, so that is the product. We have a factor here, we're missing a partial factor here, and we need to find these partial products so that we can get the total product. Okay, so the first question you need to be asking yourself is, okay, I have 25, that's one of my factors. 25 rows. How many 25s go into 875? I have 25 rows, I need to figure out how many tiles are in each row. So, to do that, the first thing I might do is multiply 25 times something that gets me close to 875. I know that 25 times 10 is 250. I know that 25 times 20 is 500. So I'm going to use that knowledge that I already have to start multiplying. So 25 times 20 equals 500. That's accounting for 500 out of the total 875 squares. Great, so how many do I have left? Well, to figure that out, I would take 875 and I would subtract the 500 from it. How much would I be left with? Great, I would be left with 375. All right, well, I know that 25 times 20 is 500. That's too much. So I could do 25 times 10. 25 times 10 is 250. So now I have 500 and 250, which is equal to 750 out of the total of 875 squares. How many do I have left now? That's right. I have 125 left. Great. 125 is something I really understand because I think of it as $1.25. I know that 5 quarters, or 25, 5 times 25 equals 125. Great. So now I have accounted for all of that 875 squares total. So to get my answer, I look at the top, at my partial factors. So I'm going to add those partial factors together to get 35. 35 is my other factor. So I know that 25 times 35 equals 875. I can also think of that as division, right? Let's erase that. 875 divided by 25 equals 35. That's how you use the area model for division.